Who are we? We are a collaborate of impact organizations driven by a common purpose, upskilling the Indonesian youth, creating more jobs, and providing access to basic living services for those most in need. What do? We encourage young individuals to take action towards self-development and growth to access better professional opportunities. How? We provide unique learning opportunities for youth to get in touch with who they are, discover what they want, and acquire the tools which will help them reach their goals. You are eligible if you are an ambitious, highly motivated, progress-focused young Indonesian willing to grow and learn professional skills. Startup Now is a program designed for training young Indonesians on tech, business, and life skills to become professionally more agile and reach their full potential. The time commitment will be from 6 to 8 hours a week for the 3 months of the program, at the end of which there will be opportunities to test the acquired skills. The program will include trainings online, personal mentorship with professionals, and practice with real-life experiences. Join us. Start up now.